Good morning, students. Welcome to Path Online Tutorials. As we are doing chapter number 9, application of trigonometry. So, let us do a different question. Question number 12, exercise 9.1. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is 60 degree. एक 7 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग है. इस बिल्डिंग के टॉप से, सपोज बिल्डिंग है पी क्यू एंड P इज द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. इस बिल्डिंग के टॉप से एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ टॉप ऑफ ए केबल टावर, एक केबल टावर है उसके टॉप का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. अब केबल टावर के टॉप का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है तो केबल टावर बिल्डिंग से ऊंचा ही होगा. सपोज केबल टावर ए बी है एंड ए इज द टॉप ऑफ द टावर. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है 60 डिग्री. PA is line of sight and PC is horizontal line. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. ये एंगल 60 डिग्री का था and angle of depression of foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower, that is we have to find height of the tower h. So let height of the tower is h meter. Now again we can see that there are these two right triangles. In these two right triangles, one acute angle has been given in each. And if we observe PQBC, it is a rectangle. So BC is equal to PQ, that is 7 meter. Here directly the side BC has not been given. We have found this side with the help of PQ, with the help of basic fact that PQBC is a rectangle. Now can you see a triangle PBC in which one acute angle has been given and one side BC has been given? It means that we can find length of side PC in this triangle. अगर PC की लेंथ हम किसी तरह निकाल लेते हैं तो ट्राइंगल APC में हम AC की लेंथ भी निकाल सकते हैं. और अगर AC की लेंथ हमारे पास आ जाती है देन AC प्लस 7 मीटर इज हाइट ऑफ द टावर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ ट्राइंगल PBC. As PQ is equal to BC is equal to 7 meter, so in right triangle PCB, अगर मैं एंगल 45 लेता हूं तो BC क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर. और फाइंड क्या करना है हमने? PC, दैट इज बेस. परपेंडिकुलर और बेस को इंक्लूड करते हुए जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो बनता है वो होता है 10. So in right triangle PCB, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular BC upon base PC. Tan 45 is 1, BC is 7 meter and PC we have to find. So PC is equal to 7 meter. So as we have found PC is equal to 7 meter, Now in a right triangle PAC, in right triangle PAC, we need AC, we have PC. In case of angle of 60 degree, AC is the perpendicular and PC is the base. अगेन परपेंडिकुलर और बेस को इंक्लूड करते हुए जो रेशो आता है टी रेशो वो होता है 10. सो आई कैन यूज 10 60 डिग्री is equal to perpendicular AC upon base PC. Now let us put the values. Tan 60 degree is √3 and AC we have to find and PC is 7. So AC is equal to 7√3 meter. So AC is 7√3 meter. Now have you observed that we have found AC, we have BC already. It means that now we can find the height h of the cable tower. So h is equal to AC plus BC is equal to 7√3 plus 7 meter. Now in order to express this answer in attractive manner, we can take 7 common. 7 into √3 plus 1 meter. So height of the tower is 7 into √3 plus 1 meter. So again in this question we have found the common side of the triangles, and with the help of that common side we have found the required value of AC, and with the help of AC we have found the height of the cable tower.